better day. You all know that from 25th June 1975 to 21st March 1977, the country had undergone a period of scuttling of life and liberty rights during those 21 months. So we all know that this promulgation of emergency does not come all of a sudden from the heaven or like that. It was brought through a legal and constitutional route. So since I'm in the campus of a law college, I will restrict myself to the legal and constitutional aspects and leave the political and other aspects to our next speaker, our Chief Minister, and also Mr. Diwas. The thing is, we all know that the Indian Constitution provides for three organs: the legislature, judiciary, and the executive. And there is clear separation of powers, and each one is supposed to function within its domain independently. And if one organ tries to encroach on the other, there are checks and balances which are inherently inbuilt in our constitution. And if that particular checks and balances doesn't work, and if these constitutional provisions are misused by the authorities or executives, then the result is before us in the form of an emergency.
Our constitution, the architect of our constitution is considered as the best constitution across the globe. No other country has such a good constitution. And the architect of this constitution was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Baba Saheb Ambedkar. How did he start the constitution? He started, "We the people of India." The first words of the constitution is, "We the people of India." And when emergency was declared, where were the we people of India? Everybody was silent. Judiciary was silent, press was silent, or made to go to silence. For example, the first editorial on Indian Express, I had come out of the college days. I was 21 years old, so I know all these things. I have seen this closely. The Indian Express, the editorial was blank. The first thing. They were reading. Their electricity was disconnected. When the newspapers were being printed, there was no digitization that time. There was no digital systems that time. When the papers were being pressed, suddenly, you have seen on the slide, suddenly the power was cut off. So this was the system existed during the emergency. For whom? Only to protect one person, the then Prime Minister, Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Just to save her. She, in place of obeying the orders of the High Court and giving up the seat and facing by-election, she preferred to imprison lakhs of people in the country and rule as a dictator. Constitution was nowhere. We the people of India were forgotten. And everybody tried to fall in line. In fact, to please her, everybody was trying to see that I am more loyal to you than the Constitution. This was the state of India during those days.
Opposition leaders were arrested. म्हणजे देशात जवळपास लाखांनी लीडर्सांक हजारांनी न्ही लॅक्स ऑफ द पीपल फ्रॉम जम्मू काश्मीर ते कन्याकुमारी पर्यंत जो उलयतालो ताका अरेस्ट करताले. म्हणजे ब्र शब्द जरी काडूं इट इज नॉट म्हणजे 8 दीस आनी 21 दीस न्ही, इट इज 21 मंथ्स. त्या खातीर जेणी कोणी इंदिरा गांधी आनी तिच्या सरकाराचेर उलोवपाचो क्षुल्लकसो जरी प्रयत्न केलो आसत जाल्यार ते दीस तेन्नाच वांगडाच तो अरेस्ट जातालो. ज्युडिशियल इंडिपेंडन्स वॉज कळप, म्हणजे कायदो नांवाचो प्रकारूच नाशिल्लो. खंय कोणाक न्याय मागोवंक वयतले आसत जाल्यार आज आमी पळयता बेश्टो कोणाक जरी पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर व्हरत आनी चुकून अरेस्ट करीत जाल्यार जज ताजेर म्हणजे ऑलरेडी ताजेर आपलो स्टेटमेंट पास करता. लोकांक आपलो आवाजूच उरूंक नाशिल्लो. उलोवपाचें तर सोड, म्हणजे लोक भयात जगताले म्हटल्यार जाता. एक्झॅक्टली गोंयांत कितें जाल्लें, बाब दिगंबर कामत तर सांगलेलें की गोंय 1961 लिबरेट जाल्लें. जस्ट म्हणजे गोंय खंय तरी आतांच आमी जाका म्हणटा फुलतालें, खंय तरी डेवलपमेंट जाताली. गोंयाक सुद्दां सोडलें ना. आमी म्हणटाले की गोंय नवें राज्य आसा पूण गोंयाक सोडलें काय कितें. तुमचो म्हजो जन्म जावंक नाशिल्लो बऱ्याच जाणांचो, कित्याक आमी बरेच जाण आतां सगळे म्हणजे समोर आसा ते ऑलमोस्ट ऑल आर 21 to 24 हाज्या मदीं आसात. त्या खातीर आमचो जन्मय जावंक नाशिल्लो. बाब दिगंबर कामत हेंच्यांनी रायटली सांगलें तेन्नाच्या गोंयांत आशिल्ले RSS लिडर्स, ABVP लिडर्स आनी राष्ट्रवादी लिडर्स ताका आमी म्हणटा नेशन फर्स्ट ह्या भावनेंतल्यान जे काम करताले अशा सगळ्या लिडर्सांक विशेष करून नांव घेवपाचें जाल्यार दादा आर्लेकर आसतले. ॲट प्रेझेंट गव्हर्नर राजेंद्र आर्लेकर आसा, तांच्या सहीत तांचे वडील हे जवळपास 21 म्हयन्या खातीर अरेस्ट आशिल्ले. दत्ता भिकाजी नायक फाटल्या दिसांनी ABVचे स्ट्रॉंग लिडर्स तांकां अरेस्ट केले गेले. प्रभाकर सिनारी हांकां अरेस्ट केले गेले. गोंयचे फ्रिडम फायटर्स जे तेन्ना तेंच्यांनी आवाज उठयलो तांकां सुद्दां सोडूंक ना. तेय सगळे जाणां ह्या हेच्या अंतर्गत म्हणजे एक्टाच्या अंतर्गत तांकां टार्गेट केले गेले.